YouTube. Get here. Oh, the disgusting noise I just made. Minecraft part 3. I beat 3 parts in one day. That's amazing. So let's get into it. I still have YouTube, and I did some progress. I was off cam. Off cam, off cam, I was doing a bunch of stuff. I got myself a stack of chicken, a stack of steak, and actually I went to creative to see what these parrots eggs are. Pretty weird. Watch. If you haven't seen one, this is what they look like. Yeah. I don't know why they're all just swarming that skeleton out in the ocean. Look. Yeah, so I guess I die in the water. Oh no, this is the red one. Yeah, in progress actually. I went to creative, I got some enchanting bottles, so that way I can level up easier. So, and I got to level 20, I got all this stuff. Off cam, I found a skeleton spawn. I killed so many. And then, for some reason, I died. I was not even low on health. I think when I came back, I had no armor on and I died. So, yeah. But I had to keep inventory, so I got 4 stacks of arrows. And, yeah. Got that. Got a stack of iron. And I also got some chain armor. I had to. I was tired of dying. I don't know where that ravine we found is. And I spawn pointed my home. So, if I remember correctly, the ravine was like down here. I'll get this one later. And also YouTube, for some reason, I saw something appear when I walk by, like how something appears. Also, I have to turn on my position so I can like set up a teleport or something. I don't know. Ooh, I don't have steak and pork chops. I have plenty of food. So since we did 3 episodes in today, I'll try to do 3 episodes tomorrow. I'm just gonna keep going for now until my storage is full again. Then I'll clear some storage. And if it you guys saw that, right? They were running in place. There's a Burning Man. Burning Man challenge.